Introduction. In this video, the following topics will be covered: general information about weather briefing, Skybriefing, the meteo booklet. General. In accordance with the standard operating procedures of ALO Swiss Academy, before every flight it is necessary to carry out a study of meteorological charts and aerodrome and en route bulletins. This process is known as a weather briefing. The study of meteorology is extremely important in order to make decisions regarding the conduct of the flight, such as how much fuel to load, which route to follow, and it is also necessary to determine whether the flight can be carried out or not. The area in which the main base of ALO Swiss Academy is located is unique. Meteorological conditions can change rapidly within a few minutes, just as they can persist for several days. The terrain topography, together with the presence of lakes and mountains, makes the study of meteorological charts even more essential in order to better understand which possible weather phenomena may be encountered during flight. When flying according to visual flight rules, it is necessary to have certain visibility and cloud height parameters. However, it is not only these two values that must be evaluated. As we will see, clear weather days can often lead to strong turbulence, and consequently, flights may be cancelled or rescheduled even if the sun is shining outside. Although meteorological charts are often accurate, they are not always 100% reliable. It is important to cross-check the parameters obtained from the weather briefing study with the experience of the flight instructors. The final decision regarding the flight always rests with the instructor, even in the case of solo flights. Skybriefing. In accordance with the standard operating procedures of ALO Swiss Academy, the weather briefing must be conducted using Skybriefing. Once access has been obtained, it is necessary to go to the briefing section, select Visual Flight Rules as the flight rules, and enter the ICAO codes of the aerodromes involved in the flight. It is mandatory to always select the departure, destination, and alternate aerodromes. It is recommended to also select aerodromes located near the planned route during a navigation flight. The aerodromes must be separated by a comma. For the correct loading of the briefing package, it is necessary to enter at least one Swiss aerodrome. Locarno is always a valid option. Click on Request Briefing and wait for the page to load. This operation must be carried out shortly before the flight, as many pieces of information are retrieved at the moment this button is selected. Depending on the internet connection and server capacity, the loading of the briefing package may take several seconds. In accordance with the standard operating procedures, once the briefing package is loaded, it is necessary to save an offline copy to keep for the entire duration of the flight. This can be done by clicking on Display in Printable PDF Form. The meteo booklet. On the student website, in the Documents and Booklets section, it is possible to find the meteo booklet. This is a Meteo Swiss product written in French, Italian, and German. However, ALO Swiss Academy has translated its content into English. This booklet is of fundamental importance for carrying out a weather briefing, as it contains all the symbology and nomenclature used on Skybriefing. You can use the weather booklet at any time during the briefing whenever you have doubts or feel unsure about a specific symbol. You are now ready to start the weather briefing. In the next video, the first charts of the briefing package will be analysed.